Morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, sportsmen, listeners and learners, professionals and professors, officials, professionals. The most honorable present Prime Minister, Saint Dr. Narendra Modi ji, presence of doctors, ministers, respected fathers and mothers, affectionate sons and daughters, all the listeners, those who belong to the field of science, religion, spirituality, arts, commerce and engineering. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily, cordially welcome. I appreciate, praise, admire your presence of mind. You are providing your time, your place, and the 100% presence of your mind. 100% presence of your mind, which is the index of time, is immemorial. Uncounted time, unregistered, unnoticed, unread, unwritten, unspoken, about which Swami Vivekananda advocated in USA in 1893, 9/11, which is time and again recollected and recalled by the whole world for its uniqueness, matchlessness, incomparability of the Indian culture. Our Indian culture, which is the initiator, beginner, starter, founder of all the worldly religions, cultures, languages. So unity in diversity is the greatest culture, greatest feature, characteristic, peculiar quality of our country, which is amazing, outstanding, remarkable in the whole world. Our present Prime Minister visited number of countries, who is multidimensional, multi-sided and multifaceted personality of the world, who guided, preached, addressed the power of oneness and unity. If we are one, then this one can change the whole scenario of the world. Our heart and mind can be changed only by one, only by being one. One has the utmost power in the world. One can spoil and one can grow. One can produce. So by being creator, generator, operator, developer, every citizen of our nation should recreate, return as per the perception and philosophy of Swami Vivekananda, who assumed personally that our India is all in one and one in all. He knew all the ins and outs of our culture. He says that this one has brought historical change, geographical, economical, political change, has brought in all the fields. When Swami Vivekananda advocated the whole world with one word of his mouth. He explains that this is the one idea, one thought which can change the whole action of our body, mind. So the perception, experiences, experiments that was advocated by the most honorable social reformer Swami Vivekananda throughout the world. It was really a great historical, not only historical, but it is the presence of mind, 100% presence of mind all over the world, that was advocated in the presence of nature. Swami Vivekananda, who was known by his name, fame, if we divide his name in words, means a person who was happy with his Vivek. So he was the most intelligent, intellectual personality who strongly, friendly and familiarly expressed his ideas, addressed his thoughts in front of the people of the world. He enjoyed, entertained nature by feeling the highest power of Indian culture. As it is said that weakness is death, power is life. Swami Vivekananda gave us mool mantras, basic principles and doctrines of life, how to lead the life, how to think, how to speak, how to read, how to listen. Everyone, those who are interested to know the mystery of the truth through science and spirituality, Swami Vivekananda, who himself was the practitioner, experienced and experimentalist of nature, who spent his maximum time with natural objects and elements in air, fire, soil, sky and water. It is the composition of our human body by which our human body is created, and these five elements becomes the cause of destruction. So we should remember in our life, for starting any kind of art,